Hello everyone! Today we're going to look at this frame. It's a Dawes Competition. It's a chromo frame with a carbon fork. Looks like a proper like racing frame from back in the days. I would assume like 90s from the look of the frame. Get the straight, almost straight dropouts. And yeah, it's a really cool frame. I'm just going to build it as a kind of a commuter for London. But yeah, let's get started. Closer look at the frame. What is cool is the tubes are like fluted, so they're like thicker here and they get thinner here, and the direction changed, so it's like oval here and then gets like oval in the other direction here. Get a nice seat collar. Dropouts with a, no dropout adjustment screw. Got this nice detail here. Got the British made sticker. Even have a really cool National Cycling Network sticker. Here we got Fuji race light. Fuji, that's interesting. And then here, 500 chromo and British built. So yeah. On this frame, I have to install a new headset because the previous one was completely toasted. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm using this tool that I got on eBay. It's a cheap one. Obviously I'd love to have the Park Tool one, but it's quite an expensive item. The fork is too long because I changed the headset, so I'm just gonna cut like 1 centimeter of the fork just to fit the headset. And for the Groupset, I'm just gonna put Shimano 105 Groupset. It's just gonna look very nice with the frame. 105 brake, 105 derailleur, and 105 crankset. And I'm just gonna fit this crankset cap. It's a crankset cap I designed, and I just usually put it on all the bike that I built. Yeah, cute. I have to grind here a bit of the material because I couldn't fit the wheel set with the 28C tires. I know it's like a bit of a hack bodge. Some people might not like it, but I really want to fit 28s and not 25 or 23s on that bike. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. So after a lot of filing, I just made enough space for the wheel to sit. And for the wheels, I'm going for, I think they're just generic, oh no, they're Joy hubs, and I just fitted some 28C Van Dorn tires. I wanted to fit some blue tires just to go with the rest of the frame. That's why I had to grind the fork just to fit them. And now they fit. Let's talk about the bars. So for the bars, I got On-One Mungo bars. They're quite unusual bars, and I believe they are Moustache, so that's why I fitted this lever. You're supposed to use them like so. Very unusual set of bars, but because they're blue and the bike is blue, I think it's gonna look really nice. Nice. Let's fit the other brake lever. So if it comes here. Yeah. Funky. I love it. By the way, if you're new to the channel or just interested in what I do, please consider subscribing. For the pedal, I'm going for MKS pedal. Always love MKS pedal, and those are track pedal, so they're like a bit shorter. I just like the look of them, so I think they look nice on that bike. And for the bar tape, I'm going with BTP Bartape. I got that from Fresh Stripe, and I just love the pattern. It's like blue with some accent of black, or more black with accent of blue. I think it's going to look nice with the rest of the bike.